Blessed morning to each one of us. I am Felicidad Fatog del Rosario from the northern part of Philippines. At the age of 6, I felt so rejected by my own father when he told me in front of many people that I'm not his daughter. But the truth is, he is my biological father. I was so hurt deeply in my heart that I carried the pain through my growing up years, making my life so empty and my heart is full of hatred. That I live my life independently away from them. At the age of 17, I became born-again Christian. But still, I can find to forgive my father. As I walk with the Lord, I still feel emptiness, longing for a love and support of a father. Until I got married and have my own family, they're still missing in my life. To help my husband financially, we decided that I go abroad, so I came here in Hong Kong 2018. 2 days after arrival, I received a message from my sister that my father passed away. I was so shocked and felt my whole world crash down on me. Many questions in my mind. Why now? Why now? I haven't talked yet to my father in telling him I forgive him. I wanted to go home that time, but I have no option because I have to stay. I just arrived Hong Kong to work. I found Calvary One Child Church and continue my walk with the Lord, seeking Him deeply in my heart. Through all those years, I've been 6 years here in Hong Kong, God showed me His love, faithfulness, goodness in who He is as my Father, releasing me from the bond of hatred and guilt, that I release myself and forgive myself and give the forgiveness to my Father. Truly, that He is the Father of the fatherless. Praise God, praise His holy name. It says in Psalms 68, chapter 68, 5, 6, a father to the fatherless, a defender of widows, is God in His dwelling place. God sets the lonely in families. He leads out the prisoners with singing, but the rebellious in a sun-scorched land. To God be the glory. Thank you.